about to come up to Delano right now. That big old Halo sign. See, that wasn't there a couple years ago. I want to say maybe about 2 years ago that wasn't there. Maybe, I don't know. But that's a big ass sign. Before it was just a billboard. I remember it was just a billboard. And I'm pretty sure that wasn't there. I'm pretty sure. I know I'm not going crazy, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so my exit's coming up right now. This one's telling me the same thing. Go all the way up forward, make a U-turn or come left. I'm not doing all that. This GPS, I don't have it connected to anything right now. I already know. I know how to get there, and that's how I'm gonna get there. But, so my exit. Whoa there, buddy. Whoa there. So my exit's coming up right here. Like that. Y'all like that shit right there? Woohoo, buddy. All day, every day. Nah, before I wouldn't be able to even do that. Before I'd be all panicking and shit. Oh no, I don't think I can make that turn. But like I said, man, the more you drive, the better you get at it. Because then, after a while, you'll start to understand how your truck reacts. You know, you'll start to understand how your truck reacts to each turn, how wide you have to go to each turn to make the turn. So little things like that, you'll start to realize it's up ahead, not this one. That trucker came from there. Huh. Maybe there is an entrance that way, but I'm not gonna go that way. I'm good. I have my little route, and I'm gonna stick to my little route. At least now when I pull up, I'm not gonna put a map. You know, whatever. I'll put the same map like I did last time. But I already know which dock I need to go into. You know, I don't have to go ask him. And hopefully that trailer that I dropped off on my, what is it? This is gonna be 2 videos ago. Hopefully that trailer's already empty, so I can take that trailer on back, and I don't have to wait for them to unload me. Cause I'm trying to get home. Cause once I'm done with this trip, I'm going home. That's it. Going on 2 days off. Enjoy my beer time. Probably cook some carne asada. We'll see. We will see once I get there. Here's the entrance right here. Alright, so yeah, so my trailer's still there. My trailer's still there, the one I brought. That shit better be unloaded. I ain't trying to wait. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swing this one wide this way. Up. I'll put it to the one next to me. I didn't catch. I can still make that. I can still make that. I didn't catch it soon enough. Let's see. There we go. Actually, before I do anything, let me put myself on duty, so that way I don't run out of my driving time. I need plenty of driving time to get back home. Which I could make it, but I still gotta fuel up now. I gotta fuel up, so that's like another 14 minutes. So, well, that's like another 15 minutes if I'm on it. So let me check in, unload, on duty. You know what? Since I'm already here, you know what? I'll let dispatch on here once I dock it. More that way to the left. There we go. Alright. Now let me go take off my lock. So bad right now. Can't really see because of the sun. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Now let me tell dispatch I am here. Arrive at my drop. Yes, I have arrived. All right, I will be back. I'm gonna go see what's going on. Hopefully they unloaded that trailer next to me, the one that I brought, so I could just drop this one, take that one, and be gone. So we'll see what happens. So I am doing a drop and hook. The trailer I brought is empty. Perfect, perfect, perfect. The faster I finish this, the faster I can get out of here. latch this. Yep. Got my airlines now. Goddamn, come on. Fuck. Okay, that's good. Now let's raise her up a little bit more. Now I'm gonna raise it up until I hear my air releasing from my airbags. Hear that? Do a little bit more. There we go. That's my airbags. Oh man, this is like my workout every day. Dropping home. So I'm trying to get out of here. Make sure I'm still on duty. Yeah. Now even though I dropped it, it may still be low, but I'll check it right now. Always check. See, I could probably get underneath it, but I'm gonna raise it just a little bit more. I'd rather be on the safe side, because you gotta think, every time I get away from it, the front is gonna drop a little bit, so might as well raise it. See, let's check that. That should be good enough. Pull out. Okay, let me do the tug test. Alright, put back in reverse. Alright, we're good. Oh yeah, this is like my cardio. My cardio. glue. Alright, check it one more time. That's an unlock position, and that bar is all the way across, so we're good. So let me pull forward, put my lock on it, and I'm gonna do an inspection of the trailer. Even though I already did one yesterday on this trailer, I just gotta do it again. Save my ass. Sorry. It's a neutral now. Calm down, truck. Alright, it's the inspection. It should be good, but you know what? We always gotta check it. What is this? That wasn't there before. There's grease. That had to been new. That had to have been new. Maybe I missed it. I don't know. But since I've seen it, I'm going to mark it. Mark that. This tray looks good. The lights work. Still before it, we're good. This is the tray that had the tires kind of messed up. Flashers work. It's daytime, so I don't gotta worry about my lights as of right now. Flashers work. That matters. That's locked. There's nothing there. No scratches. Tires look a little bit. This one looks a little bit low, but we're good. My turn signal works. And I marked that last time. Yep. All right, we're good. Drive back to Bakersfield. Well, actually, drive back to the yard. All right, I gotta send in my messages to dispatch, and I'll start recording once I leave. All right, so I'm leaving the Walmart now and headed back to the yard. Now, I sent dispatch a message saying that I dropped the trailer and I hooked up. 1/4 mile, turn right on Look at that. Every time, like, this GPS knows I'm about to talk, she decides to fucking talk. I sent dispatch a message saying that I'm leaving with a different trailer. I dropped the trailer, the loaded one, and I brought the empty one. They're supposed to send me a message back. Oh, I think they just did. Maybe. I don't know. But usually they haven't. So let me is there anybody next to me? No, let me stop. Let me read this message. Maybe it's that for the drop and hook. Let's see. Nope. All that message is just saying that I helped feed a child. So whatever. I mean, I sent in a message. I did my paperwork. That's them not sending me
Turn right
a message back
light,
to me.
Then
So
take the third right.
I did everything I could on my end. That's on their end now. So now I am going to Bakersfield to go see my kids real quick, and because I'm hungry and I need to take a break. And I want to show my son the truck because my son's all about trucks right now. And so I want to go crazy. I want to flip out when he sees me pull up on the truck. So I gotta call my wife in a little bit. I think she has pizza at home, so I'll probably tell her to warm me up some pizza. Cause daddy's hungry, or Rooster's hungry over here. We hungry. Look at that turn, baby. Beautiful fucking turn. So in the future, I will buy a GoPro, another GoPro, and I'll mount this one that I'm recording with on that mirror, so that way you guys could
turn right on California 99 South.
That way you guys can see me making a right turn, and whenever I tell you I'm in a tight spot, you guys will notice that it's really fucking tight spot. So that's gonna be in the future. In the future, I don't know when, but as we speak, it is in the works. I cannot make a right turn. Now, if you guys ever see me make a right turn on a red light, let me know, because I'm not supposed to do that. That's company policy. But sometimes if I see, like late at night, if I see no traffic from miles away, I might just make a right turn on a red light. I might, because there's no traffic. It's late at night, there's no traffic, you know? I'm not gonna wait there. So we get on the freeway. So I might record my son's reaction when he sees me in the truck. I don't know yet, but my battery is running kind of low on this GoPro, so we'll see if I have plenty of battery. But if anything, I'll start recording when I see my son and my kids, or I'll start recording once I drop off this empty trailer over there in Fontana. So we'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so I made it here to the yard, and now I'm here to drop off this empty, so I guess I might practice again. If there's no space, which there's plenty of spots to practice, which I think I see a bunch of them up there ahead, which is where I practiced yesterday. So let's see. I mean, I could, start practicing right here, but no, let me practice some more until I get there. Once I feel confident. See, there's plenty of spots. I can't even turn around, just straight back it. Right here, this is perfect. I'll practice on this one. Let's see. My driver was right. Put him down behind me. What's this guy do? Okay, he's getting that trust. So I don't want to be in his way, so let me go forward now. Somewhere I'm not going to be of any way of anybody. Like, let's do right here. Perfect. Let's do this one. Let's do that one. Yep. So then we got my glove. And throw it down. Perfect. Turn the wheel all the way to the right. Right about there. Go a little bit more. Let's go right there. Now let's turn the wheel all the way that way. Right about there. Which I already know I kind of messed up. Not too bad, I guess. Go forward a little bit. Since I have the room, I'll go forward. Let's cut it some more. About right there. Straighten her out now. Or counter steer, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, see, I would have hit the other trailer already. It's alright. That's how we practice. That's why we practice. Let's turn it some more. My trailer would have been gone. It's alright. Follow that through. While we're practicing, all right, we can get out and go look. See how much space I have behind me. It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna drop it right here. I'm just in dispatch. Well, I do my vehicle inspection all the time, which I forgot to do one on this trailer when I took it, so it's all right. Let's see. So I am reply to this message: when you departed, stop on trip, event, drop at the trailer. Yup. I am departing with trailer, which I am none. Because I'm saying that I already dropped off the trailer and I'm going back to the yard. Let's see. I guess I can put myself on duty. Let's see, on duty. I mean, I guess I can. Which am I already on duty? Yeah, put me on duty. So let's do remarks. Let's do unload. lower her down. Unlatch it. Okay. That's good. Let's work our way from this line all the way back down that way. Whenever you're unloading, to make it easier on you, work your way from here down that way. When you're loading, work your way from here down this way. Sometimes I don't do that, but that's the way it should be done. Goddamn. Gotta spit on her or something. Alright, let's check one more time. Unlatched. Now let's see what happens when you unlatch it. Okay, so when that bar, when you pull it out, it pulls back that bar. The bar that you see that goes across, it's not there no more because it's pushed inwards. So that's what happens. All right. Now let's go forward, easy. There we go, just like that. All right, I'm gonna stop recording right now because I had to go check out, and like always, I don't want them telling me anything about this camera, so I'll be back. All right, so we are now bobtail. Now, for the people that don't know what bobtailing is, bobtails were like that. You're just driving the truck without the trailer. I don't know why it's called bobtail. To me, it sounds pretty silly. Maybe some guy named Bob said, well, let's call this bobtailing. I don't know why, but yeah, you know what? I don't know why. I'm gonna have to Google that or look that up and see why they call this bobtailing. Why don't they just call it driving without a trailer, you know? I don't know, something simple, but bobtailing, but which I had to explain to my wife what it was too. So any of my viewers that are watching this that are not truck drivers, bobtailing is when you're like that, driving no trailer behind you, just the semi truck by itself. Which they don't even call it a semi truck. They call this, they refer to this as a tractor. I don't know why. I thought it was a semi truck, but some, like CR England, they refer to this as your tractor. Pull your tractor forward. Whatever. People call the trucks a rig, semi truck, a truck, a tractor. You get the point. There's so many definitions of what this truck could be. Oh man, I'm tired. I'm ready to go home. Now I'm supposed to get this truck maintenance, and I got called from the office saying that hey, they're scheduled to get this truck maintenance at 10 or 11. I don't know. I have it on the message here somewhere. Now, I hope they don't think that I'm gonna wait in the yard and then drop off the truck 15 minutes before, because that's what it says. Because that is freaking ridiculous. I'm trying to get home, you know. So once I pull up to the maintenance, to the mechanic, but hey, this truck is scheduled for maintenance today at this time. Can I drop it off in the side? Because I'm gonna be going on my reset. I hope he says yes. I hope he's like, yeah, leave it here, we'll get it done. When you come back, it'll be parked over here someone's side. You know, that's what I think they would do. Hopefully. What the hell is that? But if they make me wait till 10 o'clock, that is some BS. Cause I don't want to win the yard just so I can drop off the truck. No, that's insane. I hope that's not what's gonna happen. Cause if that is, that's ridiculous, man. But we'll find out once we get there. Oh, and then when I'm bobtailing like this, I'm pretty sure I said this before in my previous videos, but if I haven't, bobtailing, I hate it. It is the most scariest thing ever, because you gotta think, a truck was designed to have weight in the back. So now you got so much steering play and there's not enough traction. So I hate it. I hate bobtailing. I feel like it's the most scariest thing ever. Especially when you brake, because our brakes are designed to brake us with what, 40,000 pounds behind us. Now imagine imagine you're, I don't know, some idiot decides to slam on the brakes and I slam on my brakes. What do you think is gonna happen? Those strong ass brakes are literally gonna make me slide. So that's why I hate bobtailing. It's the most scariest thing ever. I'd rather drive with 40,000 pounds behind me than drive like this any day. Any day. This is a nice truck right here. I think it's a Peterbilt. One day, Big Bean. One day you're gonna be like that. Driving your own truck. Yep, it's a Peterbilt. I mean, I don't mind the internationals. I like them, but I just feel like some companies, they prefer, well, it depends if I'm gonna be heavy hauling, you know? It all depends on the type of work you're gonna do. If you're gonna be heavy hauling, yes, you're gonna need most likely an 18-speed manual. You know, 18-speed. I know there's a 13-speed manual. I never driven at 13-speed. Shit. Imagine me driving at 18-speed. Oh my god. That'd be ridiculous. I driven a 10-speed. That was where I was when I went to my trucking school. That's what we learned off of, a 10-speed manual. So my license, I don't have no restrictions. I could literally jump in a manual truck and I'm able to drive it on the road. So I guess that's a good benefit if I ever want to, if I ever decide. Which, you know what? Thinking about it, that means now I could buy a manual truck, because I could show the salesperson, hey, you know, my license, I'm not restricted. I could buy a manual, so I can buy one if I wanted to. All right, so it's just me. I just gotta drive like 6 miles down to the yard, and yeah, then I'll be at the yard, and hopefully I talk to the guy in the maintenance. I might record it so you guys can hear what's going on, maybe, but I really hope they tell me, yeah, just drop it off on the side, and when you come back from your 34-hour reset, or, I mean, to me, if I leave right now, which is Monday, it's let's say I start leaving at 1:30. I should be in Bakersfield by 3 o'clock. No, about 3:30. No, 4 o'clock. I'll be in Bakersfield by 4 o'clock. Okay. I'll be in Bakersfield by 4 o'clock if I leave by 1:30. So I'm not gonna even count. I don't start, to me, because I feel like it's unfair that the people that live here, you know, get to have a 34-hour reset, and they only live like 20 minutes away. I gotta drive 2.5 hours down to up to Bakersfield, and then come back down here another 2.5 hours. That right there, that's already 6 hours gone. So I don't start my reset until I get to Bakersfield, and then I include another 2.5 hours, because why not, you know? I mean, I only see it fair. Now I told the guys, because I even told my my fleet manager, hey, right now, because from what I signed up for, I signed up because the job was located in Shafter. Cool. 15 minutes away from my house, or 20 minutes, whatever. It's close by. That's what I'm trying to get at. It's close by. Cool. That's perfect. I can deal with that. Then find out to know that that account in Shafter isn't ready yet until for another month. Well, it would have been nice if they would have just been like, you know what? I guess just wait until we go down to Shafter. I could have been fine with that too, but you know what? They asked me if I wanted to. I said, you know what? Yes, because I need the experience. I already need the training, because as soon as we go over there, as soon as we get to Shafter, I already know what to do. You know, I'm not gonna be lost. You know, I know what my steps are. I know what to do, and that's it. So cool. So I was telling my fleet manager, hey man, since I'm coming from Bakersfield, is there a way I can get like a 48-hour reset? You know, 2 days. Give me 48 hours. You know. He didn't say yes, and he didn't say no. All you told me was talk to the planner and see if they can give you a little bit more time. That was all he told me. So honestly, I had a problem with another planner trying to get me back into town literally the next day. I told him no, I'm not doing that, because I was in the yard for 19 hours because they literally forgot that I was in the yard. They forgot that I was in the yard, and I sent them 2 emails, okay? Then as soon as I finally got a hold of dispatchers, I called them. I was like, hey, I've been in the yard for this long, blah, 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 blah. Do I go on my 34-hour reset? And when the planner said, oh yeah, well, since you've already been on 19 hours, come back tomorrow, and that will complete your 34 hours. I said, what? I was like, I'm not coming back tomorrow. That's your guys' fault. You guys should have told me what to do, and there was lack of communication. I did my part. I sent in my emails, you know, and we had a problem right there. So that dispatcher, me and him, we don't talk. If he needs to send me a load, a new trip, all he does is sends it into the computer for the truck, and that's it. Now the other dispatchers, they're cool. I'm cool with them because they're professional. They sound professional. The other guy, I don't know, man. He just sounds so obnoxious, just like, I don't know. So me and him, we don't get along. So yeah. So if I leave here Monday, right now at 1:30, I'm gonna tell them that I'm not gonna come back until Wednesday morning. Yeah, Wednesday morning. Well, actually, I'll tell them I'll come back like Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday at noon. Yeah, that sounds good to me. Gives me time to sleep, eat some breakfast, come over here, get ready for a load. Yeah, I can do that. Alright, enough about me ranting. I'll meet you guys at the yard. I was gonna stop recording, and I just parked the truck, but you know what? I'm gonna go give this truck a wash, man. Hopefully it's open. If it's not open, then I'll just go back and park it. But this truck needs a wash. I got 16 minutes to spare. It won't take me that long. Hopefully it's open though. I mean, I've seen that this truck's been going through. I'm gonna get the complete wash this time. Last time I didn't get the complete wash. I just got like a rinse. But I'm gonna get wash. So that's gonna end today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the content. I hope you guys enjoy all my videos, and I hope they're funny. I hope they're funny and entertaining, and like you guys kind of get some knowledge, so that you guys ever experience it, if you guys ever plan on going trucking, like, you know, I hope my videos motivate you guys. You know, if you guys are like stuck on wanting to go trucking, but you know, that'd be an awesome feeling that you guys watch my videos and then you guys just decide, you know what, I'm gonna go trucking. After seeing his videos, I'm gonna do it. You know, that'd be kind of awesome, you know. But yeah, guys, so like always, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my podcast with my wife at Discreet Parents. I'll leave a description below, or I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'll probably put like a little, what do you call a little thing, I don't know, it pops up on your screen. I'll put one up there, whatever, so that way you guys can follow that channel. But I'm gonna end the video right here. I am gonna go to the truck wash. So I'll probably have the camera on, but I'll probably do like a fast replay, you know, just fucking fast forward it. Fast replay. I'll do a fast forward of the truck wash. So yeah, guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.